What is an IPO, initial public offering? Have you ever wondered how a private company becomes a public one? The answer lies in something called an initial public offering, or IPO. An IPO is the first time a private company offers its shares to the public. This process transforms a privately owned business into a publicly traded company. Before an IPO, companies relying on private investors like venture capitalists or angel investors to raise funds. Once they go public, anyone can buy shares on a stock exchange. The main purpose of an IPO is to raise capital. Companies use the money they gather for various reasons. This might include paying off existing debts, funding new projects, or expanding their operations. Additionally, an IPO provides early investors and company founders a chance to sell their shares and realize profits from their investments. Banks and credit unions play significant roles in the IPO process. Investment banks, which differ from retail banks and credit unions, usually act as underwriters. Underwriters help the company set the right price for its shares. They buy the shares from the company and then sell them to investors. While retail banks and credit unions do not underwrite IPOs, they may offer customers access to buy IPO shares through their brokerage services. Once a company goes public, its shares are traded on a stock exchange. This means the price of the shares can fluctuate based on supply and demand. Public companies must also follow strict regulations, which include regularly sharing financial information with investors and regulators. For those interested in investing in stocks, IPOs can present an exciting opportunity to buy shares in a company early. However, investing in IPOs can be risky. The price of shares can be quite volatile right after a company goes public. Banks and credit unions often provide education to their customers about the risks and rewards associated with IPO investing as part of their investment strategies. When a customer expresses interest in IPO investing, banks and credit unions can offer educational resources. They explain the process and help customers understand how to participate through their brokerage services. This support helps customers make informed decisions about adding new stocks to their investment portfolios. An IPO is a significant milestone for a company, allowing it to raise funds from the public and begin trading its shares on a stock exchange.